Scrap iron projects are fantastic way to repurpose old materials and create something new and beautiful. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Today we are dividing into an exciting world of scrap iron tables and projects. If you love by upcycling or just creating with a unique materials, this is the place for you. Scrap iron, often overlooked, can be transformed into a stunning functional piece for your home or garden. Let's explore with some fantastic ideas and tips for working with these versatile materials. Scrap iron found in many forms like old pipes, tools or machinery parts. As a trove and creative mind, it's durable, versatile and gives a rustic industrial look for your projects. Whether you are a seasoned guy or a beginner, working with a scrap iron can be incredibly rewarding. Combine an old iron frame with a wooden tabletop. The contrast between wooden and iron gives a chic industrial vibe. Use scrap iron pipes to construct legs and base, then add a weather-sized top. This sturdy table can withstand the elements and adds character to your outdoor space. Perfect for hallways or entryways. In slim iron table with a reclaimed wood top can be both functional and stylish. Create sculptures or plants stands. Old iron wheels, gears and rods can be welded in unique garden decorations. Use iron pipes as supports for wooden shelves. This combination is not only strong but also trendy and functional. Craft unique lamps or using iron scrap. This rustic look of your iron adds vintage charm to your lighting. Creative scrap iron tables and projects ideas. Whether it's a functional table or a decorative piece, the possibilities are endless. So please subscribe our channel for more tips and projects idea. Don't forget like, share, subscribe and leave comment with your own scrap iron projects idea.